to the SP or to rural to
Because
complain?
there's no use. The Mapsa police and all, they are useless. They have harassed him, and within 1 hour of coming home from there, he's gone. He's no more because of the harassment with the Mapsa police, and we cannot trust them. They are like they will manipulate everything and put everything in their favor, so we don't trust them. So that's why we've told the higher authority, that is the SP, to take charge of this whole matter.
What was the complaint which you have filed to SP North?
What were the
main
points?
points inside?
The suspension of the PI and PSI, whoever was involved in this case which related to my brother, and also the person who recorded the video, from where all of this began. That is near the garbage point there. That person who, because of which my brother is no more. And all this, and also this social media, like who have made his face, like who disclosed his identity, and he was so embarrassed because of all this that happened there. And all the social medias and all, whoever who's disclosed his face and all of them also should be sued. And especially the cops, okay? The cops, whatever they've done to him in the police station while we were not there, when they called him inside and all, we don't know anything. And he was like, he was so good before, and after coming back from the police station, he was like he was not showing it, but we could like sense it. He was
How he was treated inside the police station for a
like,
full day?
he was treated ruthlessly, okay, like worse than a criminal. They had no feelings, like for us, they treated us like dirt, worse than dirt. Like they had, we were like so helpless there. We knew nobody, and we were like and that was like the first time when we entered a police station, and we didn't know where to go, who to go, what to ask. And they were like, they just I don't know, they just took us for a song and for a joke or what, I don't know, but it wasn't right whatever they
The
have done.
postmortem has been done. What the postmortem report says?
They are not giving us the postmortem report, the police, the cops, that PSI.
Why?
He's not giving us. I don't know why he's not giving us. So he's saying to file that RTI. From RTI, he's saying to file. Then only he'll give us the postmortem report. We went yesterday to file the postmortem thing. From yesterday now we are waiting, and he's just said that file RTI, we are not giving you.
They said like that?
Yes, they said that. And why they are not giving our own brothers?
Madam, what is your demand now?
The final.
The final demand.
That we want justice for my brother. That we want this matter to be taken care by this SP. And we don't want any MAPSA police involvement in this matter, because they are not to be trusted, and they harassed. We want the suspension of the PI and the PSI for all whatever they have done to my brother and my family, and also we want that person who has recorded that video. We want him to be taken into custody for all that he has done to my brother, because from which all of this has begun. And also we want that social media page to go down, and the people who are involved in it, who has like shown his face, disclosed his identity, and because of which he was like getting all messages and calls and threats and I don't know what, and all that. And we are not going to take the body back if till all this is done, because we don't have a brother now. So this is the least that can be done. This is like nothing. Okay, this is like absolutely nothing. He won't come back. all these people were involved. Because of all these people, my brother is no more.
Sorry.
He was not like this. He was good. He was sweet. He was kind. He was always like jolly, and he was like not bothered about like anything. He was like a chilled person. He was like very chilled. He was a good honorable boy, a young little man, and he was just nice. He was I don't know. The cops just messed it all up for him. He was so respected the law. He respected all that so much. He apologized also. And he had so much respect for the law that he kept alarm. He kept an alarm for 3 days for them to call. But we don't know what happened once he came out. Once he came out from there, we don't know what happened. It all went so dark. It took a toll on his mind. All what happened in the police station, the way they harassed him and all mentally, it took a toll on his mind, and that's when he took this step. And we miss him. And we don't know what to do now. But we hope. We also ask you all to pray for my brother's soul, that he can get justice, and please pray for my brother.